Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the classification of industries, that is, the different kinds of industries. There are many kinds of industries, but on the basis of the raw materials or the materials which are used for manufacturing in the industry, it is divided into agro based industry and mineral based industry. So, what is basically agro based? The name suggests that agro means agricultural. That means all the raw materials of this industry comes from agriculture. They are agricultural products. These industries are mostly located near the agricultural fields. They are the cotton textile industries, sugar industry, vegetable oil industry, etc. But the industries which depend on minerals as raw materials, they are called as mineral based industry. So these industries are near the mining areas from where they can get minerals like iron and steel industry, cement industry, shipbuilding industry, brick industry, etc. Then, on the basis of the products which are produced in the industries, they can be divided into key and consumer industries. First, we were talking about the industries based on raw materials. Now, we are talking about industries which are based on the products that they produce. So, industries which are very important and they produce raw materials for other industries are called as basic or key industries. Other industries are dependent upon these basic or key industries, so the products which they manufacture are used as a raw material for other industries like iron and steel industry. So iron and steel industry manufactures steel which is used by other industries like automobile industry. Other examples can be as sulfuric acid industry or chemical industry, then heavy machine manufacturing industry, etc. Now, industries which produce goods primarily for the consumption of the people directly, that is called as consumer or secondary industry, like watch industry, perfume industry, bicycle industry, furniture manufacturing industry. So these manufacture those products which can be directly used by its consumers. So anything that you buy in the mall or the shopping center, like shampoos, soaps, creams, etc., they are basically from consumer industries. Whereas the packaging depends upon the key industry, like paper or steel or tin. Now, industries can also be classified on the basis of the nature and the quality as well as the cost of its raw materials. That means, what is the quality of the raw material and how heavy or light it can be. Industries using heavy and bulky raw materials are called as heavy industries, like the iron and steel industry, the cement industry, chemical industry, then shipbuilding industry, etc. So you can easily make out from the name itself that heavy industry uses heavy raw materials, heavy as well as bulky, and the products which they manufacture are also heavy in weight. So that is why they are called as heavy industries. The light industries, by the name it suggests, uses the raw materials which are light in weight as well as the finished product are also light in weight, and that is why they are called as light industries. They also employ a large number of female workers like the textile industries, the handloom industries, then the watch manufacturing industries, etc. What are large scale industries? Now, large scale industries employ a huge number of workers and they have got everything specialized. They use a lot of capital investment or a lot of money. They are on a very large scale and they spread over huge hectares of land. Whereas in case of small scale industries, the employees are smaller in number. Some of them are skilled, some of them are unskilled, as well as the capital investment is lower, is less than around 2 million rupees. So it's a very small setup, and the land which they use is also small. The machines which they use sometimes can also be obsolete machinery or maybe outdated machinery. Now, industries can also be categorized or classified on the basis of its location, where it is located, whether it is located in an urban area or a megapolis or a metropolis, or it is situated in a rural area. Where is the market of the finished products? So, on the basis of that, we can also classify industries. So, industries which are commonly found in the rural areas or the villages, they are called as village industries because they are located in the rural setup or areas which are isolated, like the handloom industry, khadi industry, the good industry, papad industry, pickle industry. All these are small scale industries which are located in the rural areas, and the people are not very skilled or technical. Whereas the cottage industries are those industries where there are skilled artisans and craftsmen working. These people are skilled in their work from traditions, and they have been carrying out their art and their traditions over the ages, like wood industry, ivory industry, stone cutting industry, furniture making industry, brass industry. All these articles require a lot of skill and a lot of craftsmanship. So these are cottage industries. Now, on the basis of ownership of the industry, we can divide them into public sector or private sector. Industries which are owned and managed completely by the state or agencies, that is the government, are called as public sector industries, like Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, Iron and Steel Plant in Bhilai. All these are examples of public sector industries. Whereas there are some industries which are owned by private individuals or firms or business entrepreneurs. They are called as private sector industries. There are some industries which are owned by the state or the government as well as the private firms jointly or together. They are called as joint sector industries like Oil India Limited. Now, Oil India Limited is owned by the Government of India as well as the Burma Oil Company of UK. They have equal shares. That is why it is a joint sector industry. Industries which are owned and run by groups of people cooperatively, they are the ones who are the producers of raw materials as well as they market together. They are called as cooperative sector industries. Like, for example, Amul, a sugar mill owned and run by farmers and who produce the sugar cane as well as they sell in the market are cooperative industry.